Today I'm cooking hands-free and I'm using this device here that I put over my neck. For creators like me that love to create cooking videos, and I'm doing a test drive and I'll see if I like it. If I like it, I'll tell you in the end of the video. And I'm making a Brazilian picanha today with toasted garlic bits. So picanha is a top sirloin cat, beautiful marbling fat on the top. It's really delicious. It's really nice for people that would like to start a cooking show or shooting videos. So you don't need anybody to shoot the video for you. You can do everything by yourself. I really like it. It's pretty cool.
This product has our seal of approval. It does exactly what it's supposed to do. If you're interested, I'll include the TikTok shop link below. Feel free to text me if you'd like a direct link sent to you.